Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have this stellar actor Anupam Kher, sir. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. Lovely chatting with you always, sir. And I must say that Tanvi the Great has been doing wonders for everyone out there. और आपको शायद से ज़्यादा डायरेक्शन अब करते रहना चाहिए, because आप जो भी फिल्म्स बना रहे हो उसमें मायने काफी होते हैं.
जी जी नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस बात से कि I made a film like Tanvi the Great, and I'm thankful that you said wonderful things about it. It's Shubhangi's first Filmfare today, and she was very excited. She's just a guest today. Hopefully next year she will be nominated and win an award. But after 23 years directing a film like this has been the most amazing, satisfying and happiest 3 years of my life. Nothing can be more, it's priceless. So nobody can put a price on it. The composing the music with Kira Vanisa, the writing, the shooting, people's reaction, it's been great. And to be here on 70th Filmfare Award night, I have, out of which 40 years I have spent. And my first Filmfare Award was for Saransh, for my first film.
Wow.
And so it's a great feeling. And I was telling somebody over there that our earlier memories when we were in college and we used to read Filmfare, and when I went to drama school, I was very clear that I wanted to go into movies and one day wear a tuxedo. So now though it's at least I have spent 40 years, I've done some American films, some British films, so I know what a tuxedo means. But to imagine me wearing in '84 when I just debuted to wear a tuxedo, I made sure that I will wear a tuxedo. There's a very famous picture now, we can call it viral picture of me and Shabana ji, who won the best actress and I won the best actor, and I was on the cover of Filmfare.
That's brilliant. But I must say that, sir, you know, आपका एक और भी वीडियो है जो काफी वायरल हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट मैंने सेव करके रखा है खुद के गैलरी में. वो दोनों वीडियोस है, वो रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस को लेकर है. एंड इन दिस टाइम, यू नो, वेयर पीपल आर ओके टू हैव मल्टीपल रिलेशनशिप्स.
वो मेरा कुछ लोगों को बहुत, पर मैंने तो सच बोला था.
And it's gone viral because, you know, loyalty right now to, you know, find in relationship is also equally difficult.
Loyalty, not only, we always talk about loyalty and love between man and a woman. Loyalty to your parents. I think the most important thing is that you remain loyal to people who have been completely selfless about bringing you up.
Yeah.
And in relationship also. Because there was an odd question which was asked during the...
To be in touch with the ex while being with the present. And you said, how can you be in touch with the ex?
Yeah, you have nothing to do with her. You are cheating both the people, in fact, yes.
And that was very lovely. And, you know, the way you have spoken about relationships, you know, and I think the current generation also, the Gen Z and the millennial, are kind of lost. What do you have to say, your thought and idea of love?
I think they will find their path. The problem is that if you walk on somebody else's path, you reach a destination which has already been conquered or reached. You have to find your path. Your path may have ups and downs, but it's beautiful to find your own path carefully, tread on it, make mistakes, and then reach the destination.
And imagine, sir, being so engrossed in your work, not only in your work, but also, you know, I must admit that, you know, so sorry to say that though, your personal life and the way you have been with Kiran ma'am, that love story itself.
So my cinema journey and I got into movies in '84, got married to Kiran in '85, and touch wood, we have been there for each other in ups and downs of life. That's what loyalty is all about, and that comes in friendship.
The way you have been with her.
Yes.
I think that kind of, you know, impressed me, and I was like, oh my God, that's a lot of a journey also. You know,
Yes, it is. It is 2/3 of your life, in fact. Yeah. My parents were married for 59 years, and my father passed away. But so and you see that it's easy for people to sort of brand as old school, but the old school is the coolest school in the world.
So, and, you know, I must say that the Tanvi, you know, talking about the movie and the way you have kind of portrayed that character, it takes a lot of strength to bring a friend's son's journey differently, and the way you were emotional also about it. I must say that, you know, it's not everyone, you know, does that, but you pulled off very well. The way you have been ambitious and the way you actually, you know, pulled up your socks, you know, for the entire project. We would like to see more of you. And before I let you go, I really want to know more of your projects. So tell us something about that.
Generosity of. Thank you. You will see me next year again for Tanvi the Great with so many nominations and awards, hopefully.
Yeah. And lastly, upcoming projects apart from you.
I am going to join Suraj Barjatia's project very soon. I don't know what the name is. And then, of course, Khosla Ka Ghosla Part 2.
Thank you so much, sir, and lovely chatting with you always. Thank you.